Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia binti Muhammad Amin. Matrix number AA191915. In this video, I will explain my work process for laboratory tests. For the introduction, RapidMiner is a free of charge, open source software tool for data and text mining. In addition to Windows operating system, RapidMiner also supports Macintosh, Linux, and Unix system. In addition, data pre-processing is an essential step in building a machine learning model, and depending on how well the data has been pre-processed, the results are seen. It have tokenization, lower casing, stop words removal, steaming, and lemmatization. Lastly, the UCI Machine Learning Repository is a collection of databases, domain theories, and data generators that are used by the machine learning community for the empirical analysis of machine learning algorithms. For the work process, firstly, I download the Reuters 5050 dataset from UCI repository from the website that I search in Google. After that, I clicking the data folder to start download. After download, it turns to zip file that have the dataset. Next, for creating 4 classes, firstly, I created new file name, which is AI subject in localD and file lab data. Then I put the 4 dataset that I've already choose in the file. I also created a subfolder named AI test in RapidMiner repository. In operators left side of below, I choose extensions to choose text processing of processed documents from files. Then I drag it to the middle of the page. In addition, I insert the 4 of classes name, which C1, C2, C3, and C4 from the directory of localD. After I run it, this is the result that shows the number, also the name of classes. Next, tokenization is an interesting part of text analytics. A token in natural language terms is an instance of a sequence of characters in some particular document that are grouped together as a useful semantic unit for processing. In this step, I put the tokenized by drag it from operators at left bottom to apply the tokenization at the dataset. Then I make the connection for it. Besides, this is the result after I run it. Furthermore, transform cases operator make the dataset can choose at the top right side, either lowercase or uppercase for the dataset. For the beginning, I search transform cases at the operator, then I drag it to the middle. After that, I can choose either I want a lowercase or uppercase for the dataset at the top right corner. Then this is the result that changed to uppercase. Also, this is the result that changed to lowercase. Next, the function of stop words are basically used for the language. For the step R, I search stop words at the operators and pick the type that is English. Then I drag it to the middle and make the connection between it. This is the result after I run the operators of stop words of English. Last but not least, steaming uses a number of approach to reduce a word to its best from whatever infected from is encountered. It can be simple to develop a steaming algorithm. Firstly, I search steaming at the operators and pick the type that is stem of portal. Then I drag it and make the connection between them. From it shows the result of using steaming operators. We can see that the words of charities change to charit because it make the word become a root word.